Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be unboxing the July PreCuts Classic Quilt Box. So if you're new to these quilt boxes, they are put out by PreCuts Quilt Shop. You can find this box, this is the classic box, on their website, but they also have a stash builder box that is straight up only fabric. So if you're tired of getting all the little notions and all those goodies and you just want to get to the good stuff, you can do the stash builder box. It's awesome. I think there are 16 fat quarters in those, but this box has some fabric plus some other fun notions. So let's go ahead and take a look and see what's inside. Oh, and don't forget to share your box on social media using the hashtag PreCuts Quilt Shop or PreCuts Quilt Box. That will enter you to win next month's box for free. All right, so let's just dive right in. Every month comes with this insert. It has everything you need to know about all the contents of your box, but it also has information about the box designer on the back, and this month's box designer is Kim Christopherson. She is the mind behind Kimberbell, and she's got some amazing products. If you've never heard of Kimberbell before, Kimberbell's actually the one who did those little slap bracelets that I use to hold all of my Truck of the Month quilts together. If you don't know what I'm talking about, these are the little slat braces. She actually meant to use these on her interfacing. It says ultra light. They all have a certain name on them, and so I actually am just using them to store my rolled up Truck of the Months. That would be this right here on the wall, the August Truck of the Month. And so I have them all in a little can back here, and these slat bracelets work perfectly. But those aren't in the box. Those are just something from Kimberbell. She has a ton of fun designs. She does a lot of applique, cute fabric, so definitely check her out. Let's go ahead and dive into our box. So the first thing in our box is the block of the month. This is block number 4, and I'm kind of trying to show you off to the side here because all the instructions are right here on this piece of paper, so it's hard for me to show, but it's this cute kind of weather vane block, but then it has a little bit of an Irish chain setting in there, which I think is really cute. And I do apologize, if you saw my previous podcast, you'll know that I fractured my elbow, and if you didn't see it, go back and watch my Erica's Quilt Show, Trunk Show Part 1. At the very end of that, I explain what happened because it happened filming that video. So anyways, it's a fun story and my first quilting injury. So anyways, I will be holding things up one-handed, so bear with me. But let's go ahead and get started. So our first thing is this thread, and this is silk finish 50 weight cotton thread. This is by Metler, and this is just in a kind of an aqua-y green colorway. It's 164 yards. It retails for $4, and this is, or maybe more of a, it's not teal. I would go with aqua. It's like a sea green almost. I don't know. It's a beautiful color. So the next big thing we have in here are 3 different cuts of fabric, and this is a Halloween themed box. And so we've got 3/8 inch of an orange print. This retails for $5.25. The next one we have is a 3/8 of a yard purple print, also $5.25. I think I said inches earlier. It's a yard. Sorry. And then we have this really bright, like apple green. This is a 1/8 of a yard, retails for $1.75. These 3 colors are going to be used in the pattern I'm about to show you. There's some center blocks, some sashing cornerstones, and so that is what this fabric is for. I also have a 1 5/8 yard smaller print. This, I believe, is what we're going to be using for our binding. And then they also gave us 1 5/8 yard, and this is Castle Spooky Glow in the Dark fabric. So I think those stars must glow, and maybe the pumpkin faces. I don't know. So that's kind of fun. I'll see if I can try it and maybe insert a little video. I don't know if you're going to be able to see it on camera. And then the pattern for this month is called Midnight Spooky Star. And this is by PreCuts Quilt Shop. It finishes at 70 by 86, so it's a great size pattern, and it features all of those fun little stars in there. But this pattern uses jelly roll, so it's jelly roll friendly, and of course some background fabric. You'll also need your backing and binding. And this quilt pattern retails for $10. And then the last thing in this month's box, and always the best in my opinion, is a full-size jelly roll. Let's do this first, and I'm not going to unwrap this because I'm actually going to do a giveaway, so stay tuned here and I'll talk more about that. But here's the side view, and then let's just look at this jelly roll. This is a Hometown Halloween by Kim Christopherson for Kimberbell Designs. It retails for $48. It's got all of the fun traditional orange, greens, purples, blacks, and just super cute. Then shipping on this box was a cost of $9.35. So the box value is $101.73. The boxes themselves are $55 per month. I love these boxes because the fabric is always so much fabric. This one is always full size everything. So I love that. Of course, this pattern is cute. The fabric's always my favorite. I am not a huge fan of full-on Halloween colors, so I'm actually going to be giving this entire box contents away to one of you. So leave me a comment in the description box below letting me know what your favorite fall or Halloween themed pattern is below. That way we can all kind of share pattern ideas, and then I will just randomly pick a winner and ship it out to you. Make sure that you come back and check on this video. I will put the winner in the description box below the video, so you can just click the little show more link and you'll see your name there. If you've won, make sure to email me at erica@confessionsofahomeschooler.com and I will get your prize sent out to you. I will also reply to your comment here on YouTube. So that's going to be it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure to thumbs up and subscribe so I need to keep making them for you. Thanks for joining me today, and I will see you next time. It's kind of a between. Which one is glow in the dark? I think this one. I will pick the winner probably in about a week, and I will put it in the description box below the winner, and I will also,